Here I've got HUAWEI P40 Lite, and let me show you how to change video resolution on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app, then find and pick video mode, go to the settings right here, and now just click on resolution. And you've got 3 options here, so just pick the one that you would like to apply. Let me choose full screen, for example, and as you can see it has been changed, and now you can record in this mode. Then if you would like to change it again, to go back to the previous one, or pick this third option, just open the settings again, go to resolution, and then pick the option that you would like to record in right now. And this is it. This is how you can smoothly, quickly and easily change the video quality in your HUAWEI. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.